My name is Andy Larsen.
And I'm Mya Nemecheck. And this is our final project for biology.
The name of our animal is the Carminius limbo. That's a scientific name. It's a land animal that inhabits a deciduous forest. It's 5 feet tall and 4 feet in length, and it has 200 bones within the skeletal system. Ligaments are found in the body of the Carminius limbo. The ligaments are used as support systems for all 200 bones in the body. The bones of the limbo are the carpus, the wrist, the carpal bones, the radius, hips, fibula, elbow, tibia, patella, and 2 toe bones. The Carminius limbo has 8 sets of ribs, and the Carminius limbo has 4 primary sharp teeth.
The Carminius limbo is made up of smooth muscles within the digestive system, while the heart is made up of hard, thick muscles. The Carminius limbo has a 4-inch long tail that extends from the rear. Its neck extends upward 3 feet and holds a bicycle seat-shaped head at the top of the neck. Attached to the head are sharply pointed ears that extend upwards from the head by 6 inches.
The Carminius limbo has a thick layer of fur on its outer layer of skin, and this is to survive the freezing cold temperatures of the deciduous forest. In the winter, there are freezing cold temperatures with elements like snow and rain, and in the summer it is very hot, so our organism actually sheds its thick coat of fur. The thick skin that it has also protects it from attacks from other predators like mountain lions and coyotes, and the ability to have tough skin and in the warm helps the organism survive in its environment.
The organism is a carnivore. The main food it eats is medium-sized animals like raccoons, foxes, squirrels, or rabbits. Yes, it is motile, meaning it is capable of moving spontaneously. This organism walks on all 4 of its legs. The Carminius limbo captures its food by using their great hearing. Their incredible hearing allows them to sneak up behind the prey slowly, and when they are in a good position to attack, they sprint towards the organism to capture it. After the prey is captured, it takes it back to its habitat so that no other organism gets its food. Once they are back to their own habitat, they indulge in the feast they have captured.
Just like any other organism in the wild, our organism faces predators every single day like bobcats, tigers, bears, coyotes, mountain lions, and wolves. The Carminius limbo uses its senses to avoid these predators and try to run away from them using their hearing, vision, and sense of smell. If they can sense danger, they will try to run away at first, but if they're forced to stay and fight, they will use their sharp teeth and pointy hooves to fight. Our organism has a typical nervous system found in mammals, and the main center of storage for information is the brain. It also has a spinal cord that is attached to nerves that send signals throughout the body for the flight or fight response. And when in danger, the decision to either run away or stay and fight is due to the nervous system. And if the Carminius limbo is forced to stay and fight, they're well equipped with their teeth and pointy hooves and the strength to survive a violent fight.
The Carminius limbo sexually reproduces to create offspring. There are both female and male organisms within the species. Each year, the male finds a mate to reproduce with. Mating season is in the fall, which allows for the offspring to grow and be birthed in the spring. The Carminius limbo gives live birth to its offspring once a year in the spring. Commonly, 1 to 2 babies are born from each mother with the occasional birth of triplets. Mothers raise her babies until they are old enough and experienced enough to live on their own. The babies feed on milk that is produced by the mother until their teeth are developed to eat meat that the mother hunts for them. Males are protective over the mate, and they will fight each other to assert their dominance over each other. The winner of the battle gains the respect of the other male and helps them to win over their mate of choice. The Carminius limbo gets oxygen by contracting the diaphragm, which forces airborne oxygen into the mouth and nose. After entering, it passes via the trachea and into the bronchi, which ultimately delivers oxygen to the lungs. Gas exchange takes place inside the lungs and the alveoli through the process of diffusion. Oxygen enters the alveolar capillaries, and carbon dioxide exits the capillaries and enters the lungs. The carbon dioxide then leaves the body through the trachea and the bronchi in the same manner as the oxygen did. The oxygen absorbed by the lungs is used to help its cells break down food for energy and help the muscles recover and repair themselves.
During the winter, their fur becomes heavy so that they stay warm. For summertime, they shed that winter fur off so that they don't overheat. The Camellias limbo has sharp teeth and pointy hooves that protect them in fights with other predators. Its sharp teeth also help with hunting prey, allowing them to grab and hold onto their prey. When it rains or snows, their thick fur protects them from getting cold and keeps their skin dry. The ability to shed their heavy coat of fur allows them to stay cool during the summer, and the ability to grow it back helps them survive the harsh winters.
A unique feature of our organism is that it has a round head with a smooth transition from the head to the nose. This allows for a stronger skull structure with more protection from severe head injuries from larger predators. The snout, including the nose and mouth, is long, enabling it to have a large mouth to catch bigger prey and defend itself more successfully against other predators. The long and strong legs allow our organism to run fast to catch its prey and avoid larger threats like aggressive animals. An interesting behavior of our organism is that they like to find prey in a pack. They hunt with each other to give them the best chance at catching their food. Their ability to sneak up on prey, trap them gives them a higher chance of success in catching their meals. That was it. This was our final designer gene project for the Carmenius limbo with Maddie Fischer, Mya Nemecheck, and Andrew Larsen.